In the early days of 2024, members of the ruling party in Zimbabwe, ZANU-PF, launched a new slogan, 2030 Mnangagwa Vachipo, essentially declaring that President Emmerson Mnangagwa will still be in office by 2030. Some saw this as an audacious attempt by a faction within the party to amend the constitution, enabling Mnangagwa to seek a third term in the upcoming 2028 general elections. But here's the twist. Mike Bimha, ZANU-PF National Political Commissar, disowned this slogan. In an exclusive interview, he clarified that the slogan did not originate from the party's commissariat and that people are free to express themselves in their own way. He further ruled out the possibility of an election before 2028, reiterating that ZANU-PF respects the Constitution. In the midst of these developments, Mnangagwa himself declared 2030 Indian Dichipo, translating to, "I will still be around in 2030 inches in Chikaranga," a Shona dialect. This statement was interpreted by many as his commitment to remain in power until 2030. However, the Zimbabwean constitution has clear provisions that prevent such a possibility. Section 91 outlines qualifications for presidential candidates, disqualifying an individual if they have already held the office of president for 2 terms. Moreover, Section 328 restricts incumbents from benefiting from any constitutional amendment that extends the length of time in office. This means that even if ZANU-PF was to amend the Constitution to allow 3rd terms, Mnangagwa, as the incumbent, would not benefit from such an extension. To add to this, a legal precedent set by the case of Mupungu VAR Minister of Justice and others further clarifies that prescribed term limits cannot be extended to apply to sitting incumbents without contravening the Constitution. Despite all these legal roadblocks, the persistence of this slogan and the subsequent debate it has sparked in the political landscape of Zimbabwe is truly intriguing. To sum it all up, the slogan 2030 Mnangagwa Vachipo has stirred up the political waters in Zimbabwe. While some see it as a bid to extend President Mnangagwa's term, others, including key figures within the ruling party, have disowned it. The Constitution and legal precedents present clear obstacles to such an extension of term. Nevertheless, the saga serves as a testament to the power of political slogans and the discussions they can ignite.